Good day and welcome to the Bull Network. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money from Wiseling. In other words, how to register, log in, deposit, and start making money from your investment in Wiseling. Now, Wiseling is a foreign company. They are legit. You can go over to bulletscoming.com to check a review from Wiseling. So let's go to the tutorial proper how to register in Wiseling. So if you check on the description below, I have dropped a link for you to go to Wiseling direct. So when you go to Wiseling, you're going to see the menu bar, you're going to see the sign up, sign in. So you want to register, so you go for sign up. In the sign up page, you're going to fill your details, your username, your email, your password, and then you go on next. Okay, but I'm not going to go through that because I'm already a member. So all I want to do is, so I will go to invest. I will go to login, which is sign in, and then I'll put in my details. Then I will go in. Okay, it seems there's an authenticator, so I have to activate that. Okay, that is a Google authenticator, so I advise you use that for your account so that you don't get breached or hacked. Okay, when you open your account in Wiseling, the first thing you want to do is, as a new member, is to deposit. Okay, so you go to deposit, open deposit. Now you see the Wiseling has three offers for you: the fiat currency, the crypto, and the industry. Okay, so whichever one you want to do, you're going to go with that one. You can see the explanation here. In fiat currency, in 16 days you're getting 1.70% of what you invested. Okay, you see that? So in forex market it's 24 days, and then in stock market it's 30 days. You see, so they have different packages for you to choose. So I want to focus this tutorial on the fiat currency. So we go to the fiat currency. So let's say we want to invest in the fiat. We should choose the amount you want to invest. So this process is actually funding our account, which is the first thing. So let's go with the minimum investment, which is $50. Okay, this is the investment page. We need to fund our account. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So we have to fund our account first by going here, and then you say I want to fund with USDT. So you can fund with any amount here. So before you invest, you know that you have to fund your account. So let's fund our account. You go to the funding, and then we click on the amount you want to fund. Let's go with the minimum, which is 50. Then if you click on the request, you're going to see the official wallet address of Wiseling where we're going to pay our money into. So we say we're going to go with $50. So this is where we go is, because you can see it here. You're going to say we have to pay to this wallet, and we have 16 hours remaining. So when you pay to this wallet, it will not be included in our account, which is the funding account, and then we cannot go to invest. So let's assume that we have fund our account, so we just go straight to invest, and the money that is in our account we just put it here and click on invest. That is, so let me show you my account. So here you see my investment, my deposits. You're gonna see it, my investment here. You can see it's 5 active. Okay, you see it, you can see it, see the time, 16 days. Okay, so that's just how it is. So after you've invested, that's when you're gonna get your referral link. Look at it here, where you can refer people, and then you get commission, and you build a team up, because you get like a teamwork. Okay, because you get paid, and from the members, from the activities of your members, you get paid also. So it's like a teamwork. Okay, look at your partners. So whoever you refer, it's gonna be in your partners, and you keep on making income from their activities also. So that is the best part of Wiseling. So if you want to join Wiseling, okay, you can just use the link in the description in the video below to register, or you contact me on WhatsApp, so you can join my team and let's make money together. All right, thank you. Please help me on subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will give you one of the more best tutorials on the best investment site where you can make more money with ease. See you.